Welcome to this tutorial on how to add or change your admin author profile image in WordPress using Gravatar. In this guided walkthrough, you will learn how to update your profile image in a quick and simple way, all within about 5 minutes. This process is particularly useful when you want to maintain a consistent brand or personal identity across your website. To begin, launch your preferred web browser and navigate to your WordPress site. When you arrive on the homepage, your first task is to locate the login option. You will find this link positioned in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this login button directs you to the sign in interface, where you begin your secure connection to the website. After clicking the login button, you will see various options for signing in. For a seamless experience, choose the option that says Continue with Google. In doing so, you are prompted to select the Google account that provides access to your WordPress site. This method of signing in leverages your existing Google credentials and enhances security by minimizing the need for separate usernames and passwords. Once you are successfully logged into WordPress with your chosen account, you need to access the appropriate settings to update your profile image. Start by finding the settings area within your WordPress dashboard. Although the dashboard contains many menus and options, focus on navigating to the settings section, which is fundamental for managing your site's configurations. Within the settings area, your next destination is the discussion section. The discussion settings in WordPress not only govern how comments and interactions appear on your site, but also include options related to user avatars. By clicking on discussion, you open up a series of configuration options that allow you to personalize various aspects of your site's interaction features. Scroll down within the discussion settings until you come across the portion labeled default avatar. This part of the settings is specifically designed to control which image appears as the default profile picture for your posts and activity on the site. In this avatar section, you are given a choice among several image options, many of which are derived from the Gravatar service, a popular tool that links your email address with a chosen image. At this stage, carefully review the available options and choose the one that corresponds to the Gravatar you want to use as your default profile image. This selection ensures that your posts are associated with the image of your choice, maintaining a consistent look across different platforms. If you have already set up a Gravatar for the email address associated with your WordPress profile, it should appear among the options, making the selection process even more straightforward. Before finishing, make sure your selected avatar is the one you want displayed on your site. Once satisfied with your choice, proceed to the final step by scrolling down to the bottom of the discussion settings page. Here, you will find the Save Changes button. Clicking this button ensures that your new default avatar is stored in the WordPress settings, and your profile appearance is updated immediately. This simple sequence of actions, from visiting your site and logging in with your Google account, to navigating through the settings to the discussion area, and finally selecting and saving your Gravatar, ensures that your WordPress profile image is updated with ease. Enjoy the fresh new look of your profile and the improved consistency it brings to your online presence.